The Mouse and the Lion. There is a lion. He sleeps. One day, a small mouse comes near him. She walks on the lion's nose. The lion wakes up. He is not happy. He quickly puts his large hand on the mouse to end her life. Let me go, and I promise I'll do something nice for you one day. The mouse asked the lion. The lion is kind, so he decided to let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion gets trapped in a net. He can't get out, and he calls for help. The mouse comes to find the lion stuck in the net. She gnaws one of the ropes until it breaks and the lion is free. The mouse tells the lion, "Now you see that even a small mouse can be helpful to a big lion." مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.